Hi, welcome to Matt's Garage. Got the Blair Witch set action going here. This was where my stairs were. I disassembled them, chopped them up, and used them for temporary stairs everywhere else. And tomorrow we're going to install Viewrail stairs, which are sort of a modular floating stair system, monostringer system, that's going to give a real nice finish to the house. Here's some video of us receiving it today. It was kind of a process because I have two sets. I have the interior set and I have the set from the patio down to the backyard. So a lot of components. The one with the treads in it weighs 1,440 pounds worth of just treads. So it's a lot of stuff, but the stringer rails weigh a couple hundred pounds each. Tomorrow my neighbor and I are going to try to put it together, and we'll see how it works out. The upper one's going to be a bit sketchy. I don't know. Okay, everyone, it's the next day. My neighbors Lee and Shantala and Mrs. Matt's Garage have all been here helping me. We basically assembled the stringer pieces. That's the lower stringer. It's 4 pieces, the flat part, the long stringer, and then the 2 end plates. And the upper stringer is the same, but kind of inverse, obviously. The only thing you've really missed is we fabricated a beam to put a chain fall on to make installation easier. These are heavy. I mean, these are like 1/4-inch steel. The plates are probably 3/8 or something. They're really thick, so there's a lot of weight to move around. We also put in a ledger here, and we're going to put a ledger in the floor, or a little stop in the floor, just to keep it in position. A lot of measuring, a lot of checking. Actually, most of today we spent getting the blocking figured out, because it wasn't, when I blocked before I had the measurements. So now that I have the stairs, I can put them in the proper spot. We got a laser level, and we're just putting everything in position. So I think I'm going to put it into time lapse, and we'll just watch what happens.
Yeah, that's what I was.
All right, so we got both stringers up. There's no tension on that, so it's kind of up on itself. But I'm going to leave it there just overnight, so you know it's not unsecured, because it's really just sitting on this ledger. But you know, so it took, honestly, how long did it take us to get the stringers up if you took the blocking out of the nonsense?
That didn't take me long.
Yeah, maybe 45 minutes to get the stringers up. It was really assembling them and doing the blocking that took all the time.
Mm-hmm.
So tomorrow, fine tune, and then I got to get these temporary treads in because drywall comes on Monday. Tomorrow's Sunday, so see you tomorrow. As usual, I was up against it for time. I had to get this done because the drywallers are here loading drywall right now. So I needed to have stairs in 15 hours straight, Super Bowl Sunday. Didn't watch the game, didn't do anything but put these stairs up, covered them with cellophane, got the construction treads up, and it looks super cool. I mean, even in this crappy construction state, it's awesome. A couple things about the Viewrail system. One is it's great, not perfect. They don't chase their own threads. They didn't use those rubber plugs when they powder coated them, so I had to chase every single thread with a tap. That took forever. The instructions are okay. If you're a competent mechanical person, you can do it, but definitely want some help. Lee's standing behind the camera. He helped me a lot. A couple of measurement tools, make sure your angles are correct. Really think everything through, especially your first tread and your last tread. I got to wrap up because these guys are rolling in drywall, and the next episode is going to be about drywall. So I will see you next time on Matt's Garage.